Okay. What is your good name?
My name is Sadhna Kavati.
Okay. How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
Okay. And can you please introduce yourself?
My name is Sadhna Kavati. I have completed my graduation in BSc Computers
Mm.
in GCN by Degree College and the year of passed out 2021.
Okay. What are your hobbies?
Listening music and
Mm.
dancing.
Dancing. Okay. We'll go for interview questions on Java. Mm? Okay. Can you give the difference between hash map and hash table?
Hashmap is non-synchronized. It is not thread safe. Performance is high. It is a 1.2 version and iterator of hashmap is very fast.
Okay. Okay.
Hash table is synchronized.
Mm.
Thread is safe.
Mm.
Performance is low.
Mm.
It is a 1.0 version
Mm.
and null is not allowed.
Okay. And what is difference between list and set?
Distance.
Mm.
If you want to represent group of individual objects,
Mm.
duplicates are allowed,
Mm.
insertion order is preserved,
Mm.
and then we should go for list interface.
Mm.
Set. If you want to represent a group of individual objects, duplicates are not allowed,
Mm.
insertion order is not preserved, then we should go for set interface.
Okay. What is the difference between array list and linked list?
Array list.
And linked list.
Array list internally we use a dynamic array.
Mm.
Retrieval operation, array list is best.
Mm.
And insertion and deletion for it is worst.
Okay.
In array list, random access is available.
Mm.
And array list can access only list class only.
Mm. Okay. Mm. What is difference between exceptions, checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions?
Checked exception. The exception which are occurred in
Mm.
the exception which are compared in
Mm.
compared
Checked exceptions and unchecked exceptions. Mm.
the
Difference.
exception which are occurred compiled time error, that is checked exception.
Mm.
The exception occurred at runtime is called unchecked.
Mm.
Checked exception examples:
Mm.
IO exception, SQL exception, file not found.
Mm.
These are all checked exception.
Unchecked exceptions.
Arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, class cached exception, array store exception.
Okay. Okay. What is different between throw and throws keyword?
The throw keyword is used to declare and explicitly,
Mm.
and the throw keyword can only have only one exception.
Mm.
The throw keyword is used to declare multiple exceptions. It is followed by method signature.
Okay. How to create custom exceptions?
To create custom exceptions, explicitly we can create an exception by using throw and new keyword.
Mm.
Throw and new keyword, and this class is extends from exception class, and we are passing string argument to the customer constructor.
Okay. Okay. Finally black. What is the purpose of finally black?
Clean up purpose.
Okay.
Clean up.
Why finally black is mandatory black?
Mandatory black.
Why it is mandatory? Why finally black is mandatory black?
Whether it is handled or not.
Whether its exception is handling or not, it is executing, right? Why it is getting executed? Whether exception is occurred, whether exception is not occurred, it is getting executed all the time. Why it is getting executed all the time? What is the reason? Why finally black is getting executed all the time? The reason.
It is thrown exception. It is thrown an exception.
If no, by using finally black, are you throwing an exception?
No.
Why you are using finally black? For cleanup
Clean up
purpose. Why you have to use always you have to clean the memory or something. Why you have to go for cleanup purpose. Why it is mandatory? How to see? Suppose one more question. If you don't want to execute the finally black, what you have to do? As we are discussing that finally black will execute all the time.
All the time.
If you don't want to execute finally black, In which way you can stop, which way we can restrict not to execute the finally black, in which way you can stop not to execute the finally black. What all ways we can stop the finally black not to execute? Is there any way to stop the finally black not to execute? As we are discussing, finally black will execute all the time, right? It will be executing all the time, right? Finally black is getting executed all the time, whether you are getting exception or not, right? If you don't want to execute finally black, which command, which method is there to stop the finally black execution?
Finalize.
Okay, can you give me the difference between final keyword, finally black, and finalize method?
Final is the access manager. We can access method, classes, and variables. If you declare final, if you declare method as a final, it cannot override. If you declare class as a final, it prevents the inheritance.
It is not possible to extend in subclass.
If you declare variable as a final, it cannot change it.
It is constant.
Constant. Reassignment is not possible.
Okay.
Final is the method always invoked with garbage collector just before destroying the objects to clean up purpose.
We'll use finalize method.
Finalize method.
In which class this finalize method is there?
Object.
Object class. Okay. What is the purpose of finally black?
It is always associated with the try and catch black and cleanup purpose.
We'll use for cleanup purpose. Cleanup means which cleanup it will do? It will clean house cleaning it will do.
No,
Or some other cleaning it will do.
We have to close the files.
Okay, closing the files and closing the database connections. These all any connections if are there, those all will be closed in finally black. That is the purpose of finally black. Okay. How to handle exceptions in Java?
You have to handle try, catch black and final and throw and throws.
Okay. One more question I will ask you. We have one superclass. Superclass method is not throwing any exception. Superclass, one method super, one class is a super. The super class has one method called M1 method. M1 method is a superclass. And the superclass has one more subclass. Sub is the class has again one more method. Or M1 method or some method is there. Now superclass method is throwing an exception. Superclass method is not throwing any exception. Subclass method is throwing
unchecked exception.
IO exception. Is it possible?
No.
It's not possible.
Not possible.
Why? What are the rules when you are overriding exception? What are the different rules?
Superclass method doesn't throw any exception. Subclass method should throw unchecked exception. Superclass method should throw any exception. Subclass method should throw same exception or child exception.
Child exception or
same.
Should not throw exception.
Should not throw. Same.
If superclass exception, superclass method is throwing any exception. Subclass method should throw
unchecked exception.
same exception or
Child
subclass
class.
method is throwing one exception. The superclass is there, superclass method is there. Superclass method is throwing one exception. If superclass method is throwing one exception, subclass method should throw same exception or subclass exception or should not throw any exception. Suppose superclass method is not throwing an exception. In that case, subclass should throw
unchecked exception.
Okay. This is a rule for handling the exception in method override. And how to create custom immutable class?
Custom immutable class. First, we declare class as a final, and data members should be private and final. We can remove setter method and keep getter method.
Okay. Okay. And why string is immutable?
Because of ACP, because of security synchronization and ACP. String objects will catch data string pool. That is why immutable.
Okay. What are the different class loaders available in Java?
3 class loaders: Bootstrap, extension, application.
Okay. Application class. What is the purpose of these class loaders?
To load the dark class file to different memory areas.
Okay. What are the different memory areas available?
Method area, heap area, start area, PC register, native method.
What is the difference between heap and stack?
Heap method. It will store the
Not
object.
method, heap area.
Heap area. It will create. It will store the objects. Arrays cannot. Arrays can store in heap area, and it is not a thread safe heap area. And stack area. All local variables can store in stack area. Method class details stored in stack area. References are also stored in stack area.
Okay. And if you don't have proper space, proper memory in the heap, which error will get?
If you have
Don't have proper memory area in the heap, which error will get?
hash
If you don't have proper memory in the stack, what error will get?
class class
Memory is not, sufficient memory is not there in the stack. Which error will get? Error I am asking. Okay, what are the features of Java?
Java is simple
Mm.
and secure
Mm.
and portable.
Mm.
It is distributed and object oriented and portable. It is a dynamic.
Dynamic. Java is there any other features?
It is high performance.
High performance. What is garbage collector?
It removes the unnecessary data.
Unnecessary objects.
Objects.
Okay. Okay, great. Thanks for your time. Nice to